Hello, boys and girls. Today we will be reading a book called I Can Smell by Julie Murray. I can smell. There are 5 senses. Smell is one of the senses. We smell with our noses. We smell things all around us. We smell flowers. Cole smells the roses. We smell food. Lily smells the pizza. We smell good things. Sarah smells cookies baking. We smell stinky things. Luke smells his shoes. We smell animals. Mark smells the pigs. We smell fresh air. Kate takes a deep breath. What did you smell today? Take a minute, think about it, and discuss with a grown-up. You can also pause the audio.